My God. So a little while ago, this happened. Oh! And it's completely torn apart the whole rear end. We've got a broken arm. It's ripped the whole back of the car off. And I'm going to fix it over on my live stream channel. So I'm going to put a link to that down below. And I've also got this M2c chassis. So here is the original chassis that the car came with. And I actually bent it on the very first jump. Oh, go pose off. Look at that. So the M2c chassis is made out of 70-75 aluminium, which is a lot stronger and it's also a lot more flexy. So if it does bend, it bends back. It also comes with all these stiffener plates that bolt on top of it. So the chassis that I have on here at the moment is the M2c Crusher Chassis. This one here is a short wheelbase one. This one here is a standard wheelbase, and personally for me, I prefer longer wheelbase cars because they're a lot more stable, but the shorter chassis are better if you want to do backflips and all your stunts. So I'm going to put a link to where you can get both of these chassis from down below, and also where you can get the car from. Anyway, waffle, 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 more action. We're going to fix it and then we're going to take it out for a blast. Waffle, waffle, waffle. My God. Do you have a job you hate? Imagine if you could make more money from the comfort of your own home. That was my dream, and it became a reality once I started selling on eBay. And I've now taught hundreds of people my secrets. So just check out the results here from some of my students. So if you're sick of that 9 till 5 and you want to make more money than a doctor from the comfort of your own home, then click on the link down below and I'll show you how. Oh guys, we have the chassis fitted. Check it out. And also, I've fitted a Banggood special servo. One of these ones here. So we're going to see if it's any good. And if you want to know more about this servo, all the techno babble, and where you can get one from, link down below. We're going to head over to Arrma Raceway to test it out. And also, I'm going to take along my Kraton 6S. I've just tried a dirt cheap servo in here because I've just killed the expensive one. We've got a new motor in there because the old one got flattened. And we're going to try it on a set of truggy tyres and see how well it handles. And that could be worse. That could be us. Oh, Winnie can't keep up. Andy the Landy's too fast. Oh, VTEC kicked in. Martin's getting ready to get beaten. We're going to go out with the Kratons first. I'm sporting the M2c chassis. Martin's sporting the Just Bash It. Look at all these heroes in the house over here. Oh, that servo's got more power. Never had it traction roll. Guys, that servo might not be the fastest, but man, it's got some power. It's got so much power, it was grip rolling. Martin's getting his car ready over there, and he's getting ready to get his pants pulled down. Are you ready?
Always ready.
Always ready. All right, let's go. Get ready to get all this lot down. Right, we're going for a warm-up lap?
Yeah.
All right, ready, steady, go.
Right in the lead.
Not for long, he ain't.
Five in the lead. Oh, get the stop over. Oh my goodness.
Oh, there we go. There we go. We got it in the bag. That was pants down session number 1. Martin, what happened?
You cheated. Go.
Oh, what a save! There we go, we win race number 2. That was pants down number 2. All right, round 3.
Yeah.
Contact or non-contact?
Whatever.
Whatever, all right.
Go. Oh, Martin.
Here we go. Win number 3. Guys, we got a hat trick. Martin, how do you feel?
We will have a race now, probably. Steady, steady, go.
We're running stock motor. Martin's got a massive brake bead can in there. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. There we go, 4 wins in a row. That's 4 pants down. There we go, mate. Pants are down.
Alright, 3 laps.
Alright, 3 laps.
Go!
We're in the lead. Oh, nearly tumble one for Martin. Oh, Martin's trying too hard. There we go, 3 laps and we're over the line. What happened?
5 laps, look.
What happened, Martin?
5 laps.
Claire, what happened?
You're losing.
I was making his own rules now. Who's the winner?
Well, 5 laps. The Martin's in the lead.
Oh, whose side are you on? Traitor! Traitor! Alright, we'll let him win this one. It almost feels like Martin's playing with me. Oh! Oh no!
Reverse.
It's not reversing. Oh, Martin's waiting. Alright, you win that one, mate. Alright, I think we've got an issue somewhere.
I think your servo's too powerful.
Oh! Okay, we've got to tighten this up. I thought the steering went a bit funny. Oh look, he's sabotaging my car. Actually, he's fixing it for me. Oh look, back in action! Alright, race number 5. We've got Martin in the house. We've got Ian in the house. We've got this dude over here. We've got Jake in the house. Oh God. Oh no, I'm falling over. Oh, Martin's in the lead. Look at him go. Oh my God. Oh, nice one, Ian. Oh. Got techno. Whee. I think Ian's going for height. Ian's definitely winning the height competition. Oh! Techno tough, baby. Nice. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh, and it's still going. Ian's Kraton is taking a kick in. Somehow that stock chassis isn't looking too bad. Nice. Oh, nearly. So next we're going to give the Kraton 6S a go with the truggy tyres and testing out the new KS Dirt Cheap Servo. Oh, true warrior, he doesn't care. Oh my God. Game over, son. We've got my Kraton, we've got Martin's Limitless, and we've got Ian's Kraton over there. Go! Oh! Martin's down there doing a bit of wrenching, so me and Ian just gonna have a quick little blast. Are you ready? Yeah. Ready, steady, go! Oh my God!
There you go.
We are in the lead, the Kraton is nailing it. Clearing the triple. Oh, nearly no clear. Oh, something don't look right on this. Oh, I broke one of them Harvey ends. So the Neo ones are stronger. Hello! Oh look, we've got food. Oh, Ian's got his big, what is it?
T2000.
Oh! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh! Nah, she's good. Oh my God. They're still going. Pat's GoProing. So Pat deserves a shout out for his channel. Link down below. Sure. There you go. Oh!
Oh! No, she's dead. First response. Oh, you can fix it. 46.
46 mile an hour, baby. Oh, Martin's gonna go flat out now. My God. Oh! Man, it takes it. Was that further than mine? Yeah. Was it? Yeah. What? Oh, Martin's winning today. That's not fair. But we'll get him with a speed car. It's gonna be a different video. How fast did he get? 2. So I must have gone further then, because I got 45, didn't I?
You got 46.
I got 46.
Yeah, that's how it works.
Yeah, so I must have gone further if I hit it harder.
Everyone says that I won.
Comment down below who went higher. Alright, here he comes. Oh! 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 And it's still going. Oh, here he comes. My God. My God. Oh, you only went 43? Nah, Martin, you got to hit it at 46. So, is mine faster then with a stock motor?
No, I can't put see when I've planted it,
yeah.
It really didn't it? It went upside down.
I was completely flat out. Oh, what's this?
That's when you get sideways.
Oh, Martin's coming in there trying to fix it. Oh! So that broke the other day, that's why it's only half the length.
Kevin's one's is half the length of mine. Your one seems to jump at an angle, don't you think?
Yeah. It might be my wing making it go funny.
Oh, dead again.
46 again.
He clipped that thing, that's what happened.
You need to super tray that thing back in.
Do you want some better lipos?
What's wrong with those Zops?
Zops are the best.
Ah.
I bet you if you put mine in there, you're going to feel the difference.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Right, then put them in then. Well, that was 46 on Zops. Let's see how fast you can go on expensive ones. Alright, so now we're going to go on Martin's batteries. Apparently they've got more power. $50?
But you still hit that bump. You got
What bump?
you got air off the
You
grass.
can't not hit it, can you?
You just take it easy as you hit it, and then nail it when you're on the concrete. Oh man!
Game over. Martin wins.